Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing wonderful. Today I'm going to share with you how to make banana bread. So this I made in abundant pan. You can use cake pan or loaf pan also. It gives the same result, the perfect moist and tender banana bread. So here has a combination of flax seed, it has walnut, choco flavor, so I had cocoa powder here to give it a chocolate flavor to this banana bread. So it has the richness of all these things. So let's see how to make it. But let me tell you one thing, when you make bread in your air fryer, it gives the perfect taste, the moistness that you want from the bread the very next day. See how good they look, isn't it? So let's see how to make this. I will mention all the ingredients used here in the video description. You can later refer to it. So here I'm taking 2 bananas, mash it, add butter, milk, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder. You can add choco chips here, flax seed. Next I'm adding half teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon baking powder. Give it a good mix. One cup of brown sugar. You can add half and half, like half white sugar and half brown sugar. Chopped walnuts. 1 egg. Now give it a good mix. Add oil to the pan. You can take any loaf pan or cake pan or abundant pan like this. So you can see the consistency we want for this batter. Place it in the air fryer basket. Set the air fryer at 370 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let it sit inside the basket and cool down, and then you can take it out. So this is how it looks. But never mind, the next day when we cut the bread or the cake, it's super moist, so it doesn't taste that or you can always cut it off. And look how beautiful it looks, isn't it? When you flip it or you put it upside down, this is how it looks. We enjoy this with maple syrup, honey, or you can add butter, or you can write in the comments below what do you add to the
maple syrup
banana bread. I hope you enjoyed this banana bread recipe. See you soon with next video again. Till then, bye bye and take care. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. I would like to see you again. Bye bye.